What's up guys, I'm Coach Sean and I'm here to show you how to take your favorite foods and make them just a little bit healthier. Today, we're doing some homemade French fries in the air fryer. This recipe is incredibly quick, super simple, and I'm gonna show you a trick to ensure that you wind up with crispy French fries in the end. You're not gonna wanna miss it. This is Coach Sean's Kitchen. As always, starting off this video by saying thank you to you guys who are following along on my journey, liking videos, leaving comments. I truly appreciate all of you. So if you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking videos, and leaving comments. Comments are the best thing you can do to help out any YouTube channel. So if you don't know what to write, just write, "I love French fries," and that'll work for me. Now let's get right down to it and make some homemade French fries. So I've got a large russet potato here, and you can peel it if you want to, that is your call, but I'm gonna cut off one of the sides just enough so that the potato can stand up straight. And then I'm looking for uniform slices that I can make uniform fries. Now your thickness is entirely up to you. Some people like really tiny shoestring fries, some like it a little thicker, so cut the fries to the size you like. Once you've got all your French fries cut up, the next thing we're gonna do is wash off all the starch to the outside. And there is no better tool in your kitchen than a salad spinner. So what I do is I put my French fries in the basket, I fill it up with water, and then I will spin it a few times to get that starch agitated off the French fries. And then I'll dump the water, I'll refill the water, I'll do this 2 to 3 times, and then the last time, I will actually let the potatoes sit in the water for a good hour to draw out as much starch as possible. Less starch means crispier French fries. Then when I'm ready to start cooking my French fries, I'll drain out the water, I'll use my salad spinner to help dry them, but then I'll also pat my French fries dry, and then I'm ready to start frying these guys up. So I've got my air fryer set to 375 degrees, but remember your temperature could vary based on the type of air fryer you have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season up my French fries. I'm gonna start with just a splash of olive oil, and then I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of salt and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. I'll toss the coat, and then I'm gonna put it in the basket of my air fryer in one single layer. That's gonna help these fries to crisp up really nicely. Then I'm gonna put my French fries into the air fryer for 14 to 18 minutes, flipping them once halfway through. Once our French fries are golden brown and delicious, I'm gonna let them rest momentarily, but I wanna season them while they're hot. Today, I'm gonna hit them with that Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse rub, and then I am ready to devour these French fries. I love making this recipe during the week because it's so simple, it's so quick, and I can have some homemade delicious French fries without all the added ingredients or extra oils that you find in the frozen bag of French fries. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment down below. Remember, it can be anything, even "I love French fries." I wanna thank you for tuning into this episode of Coach Sean's Kitchen, and as always, you can make anything homemade and healthy.